Today, we are going to talk about something that could really change our lives. A huge thing. Tesla's Cybercab. Elon Musk says this car will go into mass production by 2026. No steering wheels, no pedals, and it could push the cost per mile down to Robotaxi, only around 20 cents. That is nearly 1/10 the cost of current human drivers. Is that really possible? Today, let's break down exactly how the Cybercab achieves this. First, let's look at the big picture. Right now, hailing an Uber or a taxi costs about $2 to $3 per mile on average, right? But Elon Musk claims that once Cybercab scales up, operating costs can be pushed down to 20 cents per mile, even including taxes, insurance, and everything else. It would probably only be about 30 to 40 cents. What does that mean? It's about 1/5 the cost of a bus, and 1/8 to 1/10 that of a human driver. So how exactly does it cut so much cost? Mainly through these 5 killer strategies. Strategy 1. Cut out the most expensive part, the human driver. This is the most obvious and fatal cut. Human drivers take 70% or more of the fare as wages. They also need rest, food, sick leave, and they strike. Cybercab doesn't sleep, complain, or strike, running 24 hours a day. It can run over 100,000 miles a year. Productivity instantly increases 5 to 10 times. This item alone cuts 60 to 80% of costs. That is why everyone says, removing the human driver is Robotaxi's biggest revolution. Strategy 2. Extreme simplified design, cutting parts by half. Cybercab is not a typical Tesla. It is built specifically for Robotaxi. According to Tesla engineers, the part count is about half that of the Model 3. No steering wheels, no pedals, no complex dashboards. Suspension is also minimized. Big tires absorb most vibrations directly. Lighter body, faster assembly, driving production costs down. Estimated price under $30,000, about $900K NTD. It might even approach $25,000. Cheap cars equals low depreciation costs per mile. This is the second killer move. Strategy 3. Pure vision approach plus high-efficiency battery. Others use LiDAR, radar, and expensive sensors. Tesla insists on only using cameras plus neural networks, although many doubt if it will fail in rain or fog. If it works, costs will be much lower than competitors. Plus, Cybercab uses 4,680 batteries. Efficiency up to 5.5 miles a kWh. Super cheap electricity. Said to save 30% compared to average EVs. Charging is wireless inductive, parking, and it charges automatically. In the future, automated cleaning might be possible. Fully automated. Strategy 4. Economies of scale plus ultra-high utilization. Traditional taxis run about 8 to 10 hours a day. The rest of the time, they are parked. Cybercab can run for over 20 hours a day. Utilization doubles or even triples. Plus, Tesla plans to make hundreds of thousands, maybe millions a year. Economies of scale push battery, chip, and motor costs down further. This is why Musk dares to say 20 cents per mile after scaling up. Because once the volume reaches a certain level, many fixed costs become ultra-low. Strategy 5. Significant drops in insurance and maintenance in the future. Tesla claims FSD will eventually be 10 to 30x safer than humans. If achieved, insurance premiums will plummet. Maintenance also drops because of no crashes, and gentler driving habits greatly reduce wear. These are long-term hidden cost killers. It's hard to see right now, but once scaled, it's a snowball effect. So, can Cybercab really cut costs to Robotaxi? 1/10 of human drivers? From current design logic, it's possible, but FSD must really reach truly unsupervised levels by 2026-2027 and passing regulations in various countries. Currently, it seems 2026 will start in Texas and California for small-scale testing. Truly changing lives might take a few more years. Do you think Cybercab will succeed? Will it make Uber and taxi drivers unemployed? Or is it another pie in the sky promise from Elon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.